morning, everyone. Welcome. If you have been following the AI space closely, and I know you have, the last few weeks have been nothing short of extraordinary activities. Today, I want to talk you through the stories that are actively shaping our industry right now and what they mean for us as developers. Let's dive straight into it. Let's start close to home. Apple recently made a major announcement. A completely re-imaged AI-powered Siri is coming soon. And here's the headline. Apple is partnering with Google to use its 1.2 trillion parameter Gemini AI model to power these new capabilities, turning on Apple's private cloud compute to maintain strict privacy standards. This is a huge deal. The same Gemini platform many of us build on every day is now going to be baked into the iPhone experience. The update is targeted for a March 2026 release alongside iOS 26.4. If you haven't explored Gemini APIs yet, now is the time. OpenAI made waves this month. OpenAI unveiled GPT 5.4 with a 1 million token context window and the ability to autonomously execute multiple step workflows across software environments. What does that mean practically? On the OS World 5th benchmark, which simulates real desktop productivity tasks, the model scored 75%, slightly above the human baseline of 72.4%. We are talking about a shift from AI as a chat tool to AI as an autonomous digital coworker. And from a business standpoint, OpenAI has surpassed 25 billion in annualized revenue and is reportedly taking early steps toward a public listing, potentially as soon as late 2026. This one should be on every developer's radar. In a sweeping new report, Morgan Stanley warns that a transformative leap in artificial intelligence is imminent, driven by an unprecedented accumulation of compute at America's top AI labs. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has gone further in envisioning entirely new companies built by just 1 to 5 people that can outcompute large incumbents. As developers, that's not a threat, that's our opportunity. This story personally blew my mind. In early March 2026, legendary computer scientist Donald Knuth published a paper titled Claude's Cycles, opening with the exclamation, "Shock, shock." His reaction to Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.6, solving a complex open graph theory problem that Knuth had been working on for a few weeks while preparing the art of computer programming now. A more sobering story. 3 people associated with AI server maker Supermicro, including its co-founder, have been charged with helping smuggle at least $2.5 billion worth of US AI technology of China in violation of export laws, according to the US Department of Justice. AI, the infrastructure race, is intensifying. XAI raised $20 billion in a Series A funding round to support continued expansion of the Colossus supercomputer infrastructure with over 1,800,000 GPU equivalents now operational. Neural Buddies. Meanwhile, Meta is reportedly considering layoff that could affect 20% or more of its workforce, approximately 15,000 employees, to help offset its massive AI infrastructure spending, with 2026 AI-related capital expenditure projected between $115 billion and $135 billion. Neural Buddies. These numbers are staggering. What's the takeaway from all of this? AI is no longer just a feature. It's becoming the platform. Models are reaching human expert-level performance on real tasks. Infrastructure investment is measured in hundreds of dollars. And the developers who understand these systems deeply are the ones who will build the next generation of transformative products. You are in the right room. Let's build together. Thank you.